Hey, this is Ben with the Bulldog Bites team, and today I'll be covering combining like terms for 7th grade math. So we are going to start with number 1 from the problem set here, and the principle here is that when you have a variable such as a here, any number put in front of that can be added together, or whatever operation is being doing, such as subtraction, into one term, because each of these is a term. So in this case, we can take the 5 plus the 3 and we get 8a, and this is a simplified version of that equation. You can also do it in slightly more complicated ones, like 5 here. In the case of 5, we have this term 8, that's just an integer, there's no variable attached to it. So this has to stay on its own, but the two terms of b can be added together. In this case, it's going to be 8b minus 4b, which should give us 4b plus the constant, or the integer, of 8. Or for example, in 7, you have two terms of a, and you have two terms that are just integers. So we're going to take these and add them together and do the same with these. And that'll give us, in this case, 8a, because 5 plus 3, and then 6 minus 2, because we have to look at the sign in front of it, will give us plus 4. We can also do this in some slightly more complicated problems, like the second part of the problem set here. So here we have cases of multiplication, and what we're going to do with this problem is we're going to take the variable here, a, and we're going to replace the value of a here with the value of the variable. So that's going to give us, if we rewrite it, 3 times 6 times 3. Which after you simplify, you would get 3 times 18, and that would give you 30 plus 8 times 3 would be 24, so that would give you 54, I believe. Or we could do a slightly more complicated one, such as 12. In this case, we can solve this a slightly different way, or an even better example would be 11. Here what we can do is we can plug and multiply these together first to simplify. So in that case, we'd multiply these together and we would get 20d. And then because d is equal to negative 2, when we plug that in times negative 2, we would get that this is going to be equal to negative 40. I hope that helps, and good luck.